Alright, doing a brief video here on the Chinese diesel heater in a box that I use. Had a few people ask me how the hell I'm staying warm, so cold outside whenever we're going up in the mountains. And even had one of my 6 subscribers message me. So basically what I did was on eBay, 105 bucks, ordered an 8 kilowatt diesel heater. That translates to about 27,000 BTU, which works very well, puts out quite a bit of heat. Air filter into the box is just a Fram air filter, one of like 14 cars, like tons of cars. Amazon, the gray, pretty simple. Fuel pump mounted inside the box. There's a fuel filter inside the fuel tank. Didn't want any failures. Lots of room for my Mr. Buddy. I store all the duct work for the tent, all that in there as well. Heat out, comes out there. That's the exhaust pipe, 25 feet. Keeps all the noise and fumes away. Works really well. So inside is pretty simple. There's a solar battery inside that powers it. That's the actual thermostat and controller. I put a 20-foot extension on it. It goes up in the tent. Key fob for around the campfire if you want to turn it up from there. Everything lives in the box. Fuel, everything. So it's pretty handy. Went with the air filter because I live in Arizona and I did not want dust in my tent. Everything's really secure, pretty sealed. Connecting to the tent, extremely simple. It's just a matter of clicking that on there and throwing the rest of the tubing underneath the truck, and it goes right into the back of the tent. Everything stows away, very nice. In the tent we have a splitter up and down. Everything we can even split off, and I can heat 2 tents if I want to. So it's really nice. Where the exhaust comes out the back, I've used a lot of heat foil tape, exhaust manifold heat shield. Everything gets dissipated really well, and that's one thing I wanted to focus on. To charge it is simple. I have a 12-volt cigarette plug system. It daisy chains to the batteries in the truck. Also charges off solar panel. It can also charge a couple cell phones. Extremely simple. Can shut everything down. We still run, even though there's no risk of carbon monoxide in the tent, we still run carbon monoxide detector in the tent. I recommend it. Anybody using even propane, it's your life. They're 15 bucks on Amazon. It's worked in extreme cold. Really good dry heat. No condensation at all, even in below 20 degrees. So, hope you make one. Hope you enjoy the video. And we've got other projects coming, like a motorized hitch carrier and spare tire pressurized water tank being made. I'll make videos on that stuff coming up. Have an awesome one.